The No Frills Guide to Easy Camping. It is hard to dispute the immense enjoyment people from so many walks of life derive from camping. To truly maximize your next camping adventure, you will need to possess a good number of valuable tricks and tips. The video that follows is chock full of useful information sure to help make your time in the great outdoors a huge success. Bring a plastic garbage bag and put all of your family's dirty laundry in it. This keeps the items from mixing in with your clean clothing. It also makes things convenient for you when you return home. You can simply dump out the bag in your washing machine and begin working on it all immediately. When you are planning a camping adventure, make sure you pack the appropriate clothing for your trip. Check the weather forecast and bring the clothing that will be needed on your trip. If it is going to be cold, make sure you have the appropriate coats, gloves, and shoes. Remember to also pack a rain poncho no matter what the weather forecast predicts. Research any potential campground well. They all have different amenities. Some may have showers and bathrooms, while others may not. There are even a few campgrounds that are quite fancy, with on-site miniature golf games or water parks. You may not need or want all that, so figure it out ahead of time so that you are not disappointed when you get there. Before you leave on your trip, use your backyard to help you work out the kinks in your camping equipment. Put up your tent to make sure you know, or remember, how to put it up. This will also allow you to see if anything needs to be patched up. It will make it that much easier for you when you get to the campsite. If your canteen is beginning to smell musty, you can give it a good cleaning with baking soda. Place a little bit of water in your canteen, and then add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Shake gently, let it sit for 60 minutes, and then rinse with water. Your canteen will be refreshingly clean. Get everything you need ready for your meals before you get to your campsite. If you are only camping for a few days, this initial trip to the store should be all that you need to do. Stock up on non-perishable items, too. You don't want you or your family members to be hungry on your trip. Get a sleeping bag that is warm enough. This is important. Even if you go camping in the summertime, nights can get very cold out in the wild. There are sleeping bags promising protection from varying cold temperatures. It is a good idea to opt for as low a temperature as you can find. The array of individuals who enjoy camping is surprisingly diverse. The common link that connects all experienced, skilled campers is their advanced level of knowledge on the topic. Heed the recommendations contained in the piece above, and you can join the ranks of seasoned campers who find the experience to be among the very best on earth. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.